Hello and welcome to my channel Linux tutorial. Today I am going to show you how you can install Google Drive in any Linux distribution. I am using here Elementary OS, but you can install in any Ubuntu based or Debian based OS easily. At first, I am showing you about my system details. I am using Elementary OS 5.1.3 Hera. Now in App Center, Drive is present. Go back to main menu. Okay, opening App Center. Search for Drive. Here it is. It's free software. Click to install. Give your password. That's it. It's a very small software. Open it. Here the main window. Login. You have to log in your browser before, or you can log in after. But clicking on login, it will redirect you to your main browser. This code is given by Google from the browser window. Click your logged in account. Here is the code. Allow. This is the code. Copy it. Now minimize, paste it here. Okay, now logged in. Select your sync folder. I have already created Google sync folder. You can create any other folder. Home, you can create any folder. Synced it. Now I am going to sync with my Google Drive sync folder. Okay. So select the folder. That's it. Now sync starts. Mind it, the all Google Cloud Drive folder will sync to your local folder. Be careful, if your data is very large in your cloud account, all the data will be synced to your local folder. Now syncing. Okay, now I'm opening my home folder and here is the Google folder synced to my local drive. That's it, the working fine. You can create any other folder and it will be synced to your cloud. This is very easy to use. You can create any files or folders that will be synced to your Google Drive. I am showing that any changes in your local file or folder will reflected in your cloud folder. Save, sorry. Trying again. Actually, I have another text open. So you can see this file is ready to sync with cloud, and let us check in the cloud folder. Oh, already there is pop-up window and a notification that my folder is syncing to my cloud. I am opening my Google Drive now in the browser. That's here it is. It's synced. So this is the process of syncing your local folder to Google Drive. You can use it in any other Linux distribution. This is very easily available to download. If you are using any Debian based or Ubuntu based OS, I am providing the link in the description box so that you can download the deb file and install it in your system without any problem. So that's it. It's syncing properly. No problem. Just give it a time to sync properly, because sometimes bandwidth effects on the syncing procedure, background network usage, data usage can reduce the syncing process or affect the syncing process, but it works fine. It takes some time, but it syncs very well. Now I am going to show you how you can install in any other distribution. In elementary ways, you can find it by typing vgrive, vgrive, vgrive. In other system, go to any search engine and search for vgrive. You can find GitHub link, and the direct link of the download the deb file is provided in the description box. For any other system, follow the instruction in the GitHub website. I am providing the vgrive link as well as the deb file link. Here is the downloaded deb file. I am showing you how you can install in Ubuntu or any other distribution. This is the deb file. You can install it with gdb very easily. With the terminal, you can install it. Just open terminal, go to your download folder, here this is the installer file. Copy the name. Now you can install by typing sudo apt install and paste the package name. That's it. Now give your password and it will be installed in your system. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, share. Thank you.